outside. You already know the vibes.
What's good
3
with you,
years. 3 years strong, bro. Page, bro. Outside boys stay outside.
All right, we actually picking up from the last video, so what's good with y'all? Back with another one. What I'm gonna do now, like you already know, last video we was talking about working on the car. It's still raining out, but I think I'm gonna sit out in the rain while it's drizzling or whatever, and go ahead and start working on the body. And I'm also gonna take, you see this damage right here? Well, I'm gonna take my heat gun and fix this because it looks like shit. Wait, is it plastic? Whatever it is, we're gonna fix this too. I'm just trying to get this junk looking perfect. Maybe I should leave that right there and just go over with the plastic. I'll fix it, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna take the grill off and repaint the grill too. Shit, might as well, right? But we're gonna jump out here and start working on this car a little bit. Sand the body down. I'm not gonna do no Bondo or nothing yet. We're just gonna pretty much sand the car down. All right, so starting out, I'm gonna jump in with an 80 grit sandpaper. Clearly the car is wet, so that helps out a little bit. I'm not gonna have as much dust and stuff floating around, but yeah, I'm gonna put y'all in a time lapse and I'm just gonna speed up the process, try to get things going, do as much as I can. I probably won't do the entire car, like just pretty much the work that's already been done. Like this area right here and what I showed y'all last time. Like just the side skirts and stuff like that in the back of the car. So jump into a time lapse. I'll see y'all then. Stop right there for right now. Everything is pretty much smooth. I gotta wash it off, see where I gotta touch some spots up. I gotta remove these screws. Well, I don't know, I'm gonna drill this in, sand it down, but I'm gonna do that another day. I'm tired. I'm gonna let my sander charge up a little bit, and then maybe tomorrow we'll come out here before me and the kids do something, and I'll do a little bit more. But I'm going to end up replacing this fender and probably the hood. So there's no rush right now, but I do need to get out to a junkyard so I can pick those things up. The car is a common car, so it shouldn't be hard to find a fender in a freaking hood. That way I can avoid trying to take it to Mako or somewhere and, you know, charge me prices just to fix little dents. If I can get the fender and the freaking hood for $150, like Mako probably charge that just to fix it. So I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna pick back up another day. Tired, ready to take a shower. Like I said, this is a continuance from the last video, so I've been out here most of the day working on stuff. So I'll pick back up with y'all later. Oh, we back, y'all. It's now the next day. It's crazy weather out here because I went to the gym earlier, got back home probably an hour ago, and it poured down raining. And from the looks of it, you can't even tell it rained. Let's see, we walk up on a car, see if you see any. Yeah, look at that. So it rained and everything. But so what we got going on today, I'll go back to work in 2 days, but I promise y'all that I'm going to have this car done within a month. I thought about it. From the price we paid for this car, I'm going to try to do everything myself. Like you seen, I already started sanding the car down, prepping it, getting ready for paint. So what I'm going to do, I'm about to sand the entire car down, hit it with the primer, and of course, go over with the paint. As far as the little thing, I've just seen little stuff like this too. I'm going to try my best to get everything out. I know what I can do as far as this. And basically this right here, if you sand good enough, it's just pretty much surface rust. But I do have these little areas. But like I said, I'm gonna add vents to this car, make it look crazy. and stuff. So hopefully I'm able to fix majority of the work by myself. Even that, I'm gonna hammer that out, trying to make it as smooth as possible, make it look like nothing ever happened. So yeah, it's just a process. I gotta go pick up some more sandpaper, also panel bond, all that crap, just to make the car look the way I wanted it to look. So, but right now I'm about to take the kids to the pool. So before we do that, I'm gonna come finish this part up, this little project we got going on here. So you remember we was talking about this? I'm gonna try to fix this right now, see what we can do. Of course, you're gonna need this to melt the plastic. So we definitely gonna try to see what we can come up with here. And then I also got other plastic too, like the plastic strips, if we need some more. But I wanna make this as smooth as possible. So I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. But only problem is that this is not plastic. It's not plastic. It's plastic underneath, but over top of the plastic is like some type of aluminum. So that did not really work. So I'll probably end up just buying a new grill or just going to the junkyard, pulling one of these and just keeping this part because I don't think it's connected. So that's the other route we could go with that, which is not a big deal. But as far as the touch-up paint, all that, everything looks great. I'm about to remove the plastic off now. And I'll probably take this car out today, actually. So let me see what it looks like. Oh, wow, look at this. One section we did not get. Dang. Probably hit that real quick. Make sure the kids don't touch it. All right, picking back up with y'all. It's late on in the day. Me and the kids all went to the pool and stuff, and it's starting to rain. But before we went home, there's also a 7-Eleven meet tonight hosted by the Outside Boys. So we about to jump and try to catch that real quick before everybody leaves out. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna pick back up with y'all in a minute. Like 13 minutes away. So yeah, I'll be back. I'll pick back up with y'all in a second. All right, we made it out. It's raining like crazy, but ain't nobody leaving. Got the police already out there, so I think it's like an hour left of the meet. Got the kids with me. They not complaining. But yeah, I haven't been out here in a minute, especially for this 7-Eleven meet. But yeah, let's pick up. Guess police told them to turn it down. Shit, about to get copyrighted anyway, so that's best. Look, he on it. Glad I ain't take the other car out anyways. Some of the boys from the Street Alliance said they was gonna be out here tonight, so that's one of the main reasons why I came out here, just to see if they was gonna be out here. But everybody looked like they're about to leave anyways. Normally, we park over here on this side. So I'm gonna go do a little round real quick, see if they over here. Then I'm gonna say what's up to the Outside Boys and probably be on my way. Just trying to see what's out here. Yeah, I don't see nobody out here yet. If anything, they probably came out here and left already. But I told y'all we normally park on the far side, but everybody look like they leaving anyways because it's raining like crazy. Kids on the side, I guess a free slushy. To the pool, I was like, I might as well come over here. I got my SUV and everything though. Yeah, I know. People still don't want to leave. There you go, right there.
On to us now, bro. Hey, we outside. You already know the vibes. 3 years. 3 years strong, bro. Went from 0 to 20,000 followers on my personal page.
Yeah,
0 to 10,000 followers on the club page, bro. Outside boys stay outside.
That's crazy. Yeah, so I told you, stay locked in, stay motivated and consistent at what you do. You're gonna gain a following on it. Cause like when I first started out, I think I had 1,200 followers on my Instagram. And I don't even post that much on Instagram. My Instagram went up to like 3,600. And then you see how my YouTube blew up. So you just gotta stay consistent. If I get locked in on my long form content, I'll be all right. Cause my shorts get the most views. So that's the only thing with posting videos and stuff. You just gotta stay consistent at what you do. I ain't even see this out here. Look at this shit right here. Tell me that bitch ain't tough. What you see, man?
Huh?
What you see?
Motorcycle.
Oh, you like the motorcycle? You want daddy to get another bike?
I'll let it get a four-wheeler style.
Your four-wheeler?
Yeah, we got a race.
Oh, yeah? So they ended up getting their little slushies. We all about to walk them around real quick and then we're gonna get up out of here. Police jumped on who? Like tackled them?
Yes.
Oh, I missed that, but the police is out here like crazy today. Since we've been out here for like 15, 20 minutes. We've seen 3 cars get pulled over and they just acting crazy. I'm glad I ain't driving none of the other cars out here because they would have a reason to pull me over and I'd be chilling. But we got the SUV out. Of course, it's a family day, so we ain't doing too much. You said what?
I don't know, but it was wild. The police was all up on him, bro. I saw ring. I saw first, baby.
These kids is funny. They're funny.